It's new tractor day at Doozer's shop. Yep, dramatic introduction, Doozer's new tractor. Take you a quick walk around and I'll shut it off so I can talk. All right, folks, new tractor at Doozer's shop. All right, let me back up even more. All right, so what I purchased here, it says New Holland. It's 33 horsepower. It's got a bucket loader. It is a, I believe, 2001. It's got 1,200 hours. And this New Holland, I believe, was manufactured by a company called Shibaru in Japan. And I believe they make a similar model branded under Case and International and I don't know who else. But anyways, it's 33 horsepower. 3-cylinder diesel. It's four-wheel drive. It's hydrostatic. It's got 3 ranges. It's got power steering, orbital power steering. It's 3-point hitch, category 1. And it's pretty neat. I bought it for cleaning up like firewood, the devastation from the ice storm. So anyways, yeah, let me show you a few things about it. Straight away, I'm going to replace the cutting edge on the bucket. It's kind of worn out. And you can see there's holes for mounting an accessory cutting edge, and they're worn. The edge is gone. You're looking at the bucket. The edge is just like, I don't even know. It's worn like down underneath. But yeah, the bucket's getting worn down right to the, you know. So I'm going to replace that, but otherwise the bucket's in fine shape. It's a 60-inch bucket, and it's as wide as the tractor, I think a little wider. But it's a pretty sweet tractor. Let me, I can show you. Maybe I can open the hood. Let's see here. There you go. Back up. Kind of show you from the front. 3-cylinder Shibaru diesel. I think Shibaru is, they also have a brand IHI. There's the kind of go underneath the, there's the there you go, injector pump, 3 cylinders, and let's see, there's the hydraulic, let's see, that's, I think that's the steering pump. I think the main pump is underneath the steering lines. So, but yeah, that's pretty cool. You can zoop you around there. So that's how the hood opens. Oh, and the battery's right in the front. How cool is that? The radiator and the battery and such. But let me close the hood back. Fiberglass hood, kind of neat. Fiberglass dashboard. I guess that's the loader number. So it's pretty cool. I've got the joystick. And let me shoot this angle. The joystick is on the fender for the hydraulics for the loader. On some Kubotas and such, the joystick is up on the dashboard, but it's nice when you're sitting to be able to just have your at arm's reach the joystick. That's the up and down for the rear 3-point. Let me get on it. Oh, just nice floorboard, nice deck, nice, very clean. Let me get up. All right, so just your typical dashboard. So this is the hydrostat. There's the lever, reverse, forward, and kind of, that's how that works. And then cutter brakes, you can separate the pedals for stopping the wheels. Clutch, but it's also, let's see, 3 neutral, 1 neutral, no, 2 neutral. So it's 3, 1, 2. Rear PTO, mid PTO. This is the four-wheel drive lever. Wanted to show, my friend Mark and I were talking about the engagement of the differential lock. So this is the differential lock. You step on it, and it really doesn't. Let me see if I can. Maybe just set it. So the way it goes down, see, it kind of goes down. All right, that's the lock. And see how the arc travels? It's like the way the arc travels, you should be pushing here. If you push here, it really kind of just, it's not pivoting about the circle of the lever, the fulcrum of the arc. You got to push here. So really this should be bent this way. I don't know why. I might cut this or make a lever coming up. I don't know, but that's the goofy. You can't step on it right to make it work. Stepping on it there does not work. You have to step on it here, or like I said, maybe I can flip it over with a torch or bend it, cut it, heat it. Doesn't matter. Okay, so that's that. Suspension seat, really nice, comfortable seat. Trying to think what else. My hydraulic lines. Here's a shot of the bucket. So somebody bent the hydraulic lines up by putting a chain around it. Not too bad. This is my bucket. It's got the top. It's got a round tubing strengthener rib, and you can kind of see how it attaches with pins. It's not the quick attach, but you know, no big deal. So I got the, I don't know. So tires, I think these are Carlisle tires. These are pretty good on the front. And Titan makes the rims in the front. Titan makes the back rims. And they're, well, Titan, what is it, 15 inch wide? Okay, 15. Yeah, 15 by, 15 is the width, 19.5 is the rim. And yeah, these are really big tires. I mean, let me show you from the back. 15 inches wide. These things are just beefy, man. They're just wide flotation industrial tires. Plastic toolbox, I've got a stainless steel toolbox that I can put on here. I might do a video on that. 3-point hitch. It's got the extendable bottom bars for hooking your thing up straight. It's got a rusty old top link. Let me clean that up, or maybe even Tractor Supply has a newer, better one, cheaper. Let's see. PTO there. There's a mid PTO under the off the front in the middle, but whatever. This thing's built really stout. It's got the roll bar. I might put a roof on the roll bar to keep the sun off me in the hot summer, you know. So yeah, I think I need to replace the U-cup seals in the bucket tilt cylinder. These seem to be fine, but this, if I got a load in the bucket, these cylinders, it'll start, you know, twisting forward and maybe eventually dumping the load. But yeah, I think I got a fair deal on this thing. Like I said, the only work that I really can say that it needs is the new cutting edge on the bucket, and I got one. I'll show you guys. I'll take you in the shop. I got it. It's Armor Plate AR500 or AR50. I don't know. It's really supposed to be Armor Plate. Hydraulics plug in. I'll get a shot. Well, yeah. Those plug in there, and they go underneath the floorboard and got the joystick. So that's really comfortable. This thing is so comfortable to use. Got the four-way flashers, of course, and headlights, and when you got the key on and it's running, it has the running lights on the back on, so you kind of got, yeah, so these are on all the time when the tractor's running. I don't know much about three-point hitch stuff. I want to get a brush hog mower, and I want to make like a little boom attachment off the three-point hitch for picking up, for skidding logs, picking up logs and skidding them. You know, pick them up and get a high point to drag from, a high hitch. I don't know much about these, you know, compact mid tractor, whatever size they are. But I have, you know, I've got acreage, I've got 5 acres, I've got trees, I've got lots of work to do, cleaning stuff up, and I got trees leaning, and, you know, it's just, yeah. So I figured I'd rather spend a little bit of money and save my back and my body and let the tractor do some of the work. So this is my driveway. I spread some of this round stone. I had this round stone. You should never use round stone on a driveway because it doesn't pack. But I'm going to get a top coat of Crusher on. I might be able to get Crusher in the same color from, I know I think Martin Marietta gravel pit has some. But it was so wet. It has rained and rained and rained here. It's been the wettest month. But I put this down at the way at the end of my driveway. I had a pile of this round pea gravel that came with the house. So just I was using it for that. You know, how can I not resist trying out the tractor? This is sort of overview for my friends in Buffalo of what I bought. And this thing runs like a Swiss watch. It's a really nice tractor, and I've gotten it in the mud in the woods, and this thing pulls like no tomorrow. Great traction, great tires, 4-wheel drive is just totally awesome. Let me take you real quick in the shop, and I'll show you that cutting edge. I gotta just cut the old one off and re-weld the new one on. Go on safari here. All right, always something going on in the shop. Forgive the parts washer noise. I don't know if you hear that. So this is the blade, 60 inches. Got it off eBay. So this is actually hot rolled, and the bevel is forged into it or rolled into it. It's not cut on a milling machine. But I just wanted to show you guys that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. That's the name on it. I think this was 90 bucks with shipping. Shipping was rather expensive. So that's that. I'm going to give you a quick overview. I got a new boring head, so I'll take you in the next video and show you all about the boring head. But until next time, this has been Doozer Shop, new tractor.